Hello and welcome back. I hope you're all well. Today we're going to do a super easy, super simple pesto with a twist. We're doing the Italian pesto today, but with a twist in terms of using coriander instead of the traditional basil, as well as using walnuts instead of pine nuts. We'll also be substituting Parmesan cheese for nutritional yeast, so in order to have a dairy-free, more healthier option, this is the ingredients. All you will need is coriander, lemon juice, nutritional yeast, garlic, Himalayan salt or any salt would work, as well as walnuts and olive oil. So we will start blending all these ingredients together, and I'm going to speed it up for you, and you will end up with a really nice paste that is very aromatic and fragrant. It's really delicious and it's full of all the essential vitamins and minerals that you would need. So one of the things that I use this coriander pesto is I store a jar of it in the fridge. Also, I do put a few in ice cube molds or silicone molds in the freezer, and then once they are frozen I will take them out, store them in a freezable container, and I will use them in pizza, in sandwiches, on pasta, in salad dressings, whichever, as well as a very nice marinade for chicken and fish and meat. If you like this video, do check out the channel. If it resonates, I'd love to have you on board. Subscribe and like the video please to support us. Take care. Bye bye.